IAI's Aviation Group offers solutions in all fields of commercial and military aircraft. We design, build and certify new aircraft. We perform commercial and military aircraft conversions and upgrades. We provide comprehensive maintenance, repair and overhaul services. We produce aerostructures for both commercial and military aircraft engineering and development capabilities, flight test center to test and certify new and modified aircraft. IAI is proud to be a member of the elite group of aircraft manufacturers with all the required design, development, assembly, test and certification infrastructure and capabilities. The Aviation Group is a world leader in commercial aircraft passenger-to-cargo conversions with over 45 years of proven experience. IAI has implemented numerous conversions with STC certification for different models of the Boeing 737, 747, 757 and 767, as well as for other commercial aircraft. IAI's Aviation Group offers optimized and tailored aircraft and helicopter upgrades to meet each customer's specific requirements and provide mission performance similar to new advanced platforms. The Aviation Group provides a one-stop address for comprehensive aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul services for both wide and narrow-body aircraft. Additionally, we provide maintenance services for a wide range of aircraft engines and components. Drawing on advanced technologies and processing methods, we produce a wide range of complex aerostructures from metals, composite materials and combined metal composites. We support the world's leading aircraft manufacturers, supplying aerostructures for the world's most advanced commercial and military aircraft. IAI has comprehensive capabilities, advanced tools and proven expertise in all fields of aeronautical engineering and aircraft development. This expertise has been demonstrated by the aircraft developed and built by IAI. IAI's flight test capabilities support safety of flight, qualification and certification for new, converted and upgraded aircraft. IAI's Aviation Group is ready to take on new challenges to maintain its place as a world leader. We have unique capabilities and expertise in all fields of aviation and provide the highest quality services and hardware. We are committed to continue to provide innovative solutions tailored to our customers' specific aviation requirements. Let us provide you with optimized solutions to meet your most demanding requirements.